guys, these are the nightstands. They are each a little bit different. On the inside, on the outside, they're identical, and I will show you. They're a little bit John Wick themed or inspired. Yeah, let's see how they look. So on this one, it's got a normal drawer, so you would assume it was a normal nightstand, but it's also got a trigger right under here, so if you reach under there and pull the trigger, it's got a pop-up in the back. And then if you pull this forward and lift up the front drawer, you've got a little drawer that'll pop up there. And then put that all back together. Take this little block off. Key goes in here. And another drawer there. So this one has 3 hidden compartments on it. And then that one over there, I'll show you how that one works. Okay, so this one's a little different. This one I actually made, so if you're sitting in bed, you can access the top of this one. Slide that one forward, you can put your watches here, just anything you want to store at night. That pops up, you've got a gun there, and this actually slides forward as well, so you've got a big compartment here. And then, from the front, reach up under here, it has a lever. Do the lever. Compartment falls down. Shut that. Pull this drawer forward, normal nightstand. Put that up, that pops open. There's my little John Wick themed drawer. These are actually those presidential and Sacagawea dollars. I got a bunch of them. I went to the bank and I was like, give me all of them, I'll take them. So anyways, so yeah, these are a little bit different on the inside. I tried to make them look identical on the outside. I think I did a pretty good job. Let me know what you think. Somebody told me I should put a plug in one of the hidden compartment drawers. I didn't quite understand that. But if you have any suggestions, I always like adding suggestions. So anyways, that's it. The nightstands.